Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today with this fabulous 2-bedroom terrace property complete with off-road parking, tucked away in the pocket of Peel Green, excellently located in regards to your local amenities. You've got fantastic schools, parks and the renowned traffic centre, all of which are on your doorstep. We'll take a look around this fantastic property over on Rowsley Road. So we've got a lovely, bright and airy lounge which leads on through to this spacious conservatory overlooking that beautifully sunlit garden. Plenty of scope for further development out here. You've got your gated access back to the front underneath the ginnel. As you can see, loads of scope to extend further, and you still have a fabulous garden. Sun sets in the evening just at the top corner. You do benefit from the sun throughout the whole of the day. So continuing round the ground floor, you're now in the fitted kitchen. You've got a 5-ring gas hob, your oven and grill. Excellent amounts of storage, obviously space there for your washing machine, and plenty of work surface area. Storage just tucked away here, which also homes the boiler. And then as we continue up to the first floor, you've got 2 fabulous sized bedrooms, and once again excellent storage, along with a boarded out loft space. So this is the master bedroom, complete with all of this fitted wardrobes, lovely and bright once again, with your windows to both the front and rear. Plenty of space in there for your double, and then across the hallway, your 3-piece timeless white bathroom suite, complete with shower above the tub. And lastly, into this beautifully finished second bedroom. Fitted wardrobes just to the right, as well as across the wall here on the left. And as I mentioned, your boarded out loft space, which is accessed via the room here. Lovely and bright, you've got your 2 windows in here. Fabulous property, these lovely original doors. It's a perfect first time purchase. Excellently located, close to brilliant amenities. You've got fabulous transport links. Short walk to the Trafford Centre, where you'll find your bus station and now the tram station. But we're really well connected as well with your motorway links. The M30 junction, just a stone's throw from where we are. If you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing, please do give the office a call on 0161 707 4900 to come and see this fabulous chain-free property.